truck, stack, 30s. It's gonna be a good day. Welcome back, everybody. So we're at my aunt grandma's goldfish's house. We're gonna be messing around with the truck and the quads all day. I'll show you guys where I stay. So this is where I stay. I actually share this with 100,000 cats. So this is Christian's KX2000. It actually makes 300 horsepower to the front tire. It's front wheel drive. It's also twin supercharged. So this is a supercharger. This is a supercharger. It's hella fast. And then there is an EcoBoost F350. We're going to race them and see which one's faster. Everybody always says that my truck's a pavement princess, so today we're gonna do some unpavement princess type shit. man. The American forces are getting a little dirty. Wheels are pretty dirty. Oh, coilovers are caked. Pavement princess. Dude, it just sucks. Like not being able to drive your truck off-road, you know, because it's a pavement princess. Oh yeah. Sorry, AlphaRex. They'll clean up. Man, this is a weird looking Walmart parking lot. How you doing? Oh, good, all right. My hitch actually dug into the ground. Where is it? When I was backing down here, it dug into the ground somewhere. I saw it on the video. Looks freaking nasty. I love it. Pavement princess my ass. I'd say that's it's pretty good. Working condition, perfect. Exactly how it's supposed to work, 100%. Wow, this truck looks clean and ready to go to all the shows. Hey, there's still that Walmart meet later. We should just show up to that. So what did we learn? Don't call my truck a pavement princess. Shit. Oh hey. Bluetooth front drive shaft. Oh yeah. I think we sent her a little too hard there.
I think so.
Man.
Dark Heart Productions.
Thanks for watching.